Hi guys, my name is Victor Mayewa, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can visit your previously committed code on GitHub. I make use of GitHub for version control, and obviously this is VS Code. So let's start. When I'm building my personal portfolio, and let me just show you guys in the contact page. Yes, okay, in the contact page right here, what I integrated for the email to be sent was email.js. It was email.js actually, and I make use of some little coding for it to be able to work. So a friend of mine told me that I can actually make use of form spring, and all I just have to do is just to edit the contact page, and that's it. So I decided to give it a try, and yes, it worked. So let me just type this form spray. Yes, exactly. And I make use of form spray and the thing work out well. So I just want to show you guys how you guys can go back to that previous committed code and go back to the main code. So I'm going to take this code on VS to when I have the backend for the email.js integrated. So the first thing we do right now is we check the branch we are in. Yes, because we do a lot of branching in GitHub, and this is it. It shows us that we are in the main branch. That means this is the principal branch that we have here, and we have to check the list of code that we committed. What we do is just git log. Git log, we can be able to see the list of code that we committed. The ID will be available to there, and this is it. We can notice that this is the message that we used when the code was being committed, and this yellow number that we see here, let's just call this a unique ID. This is what keep tracks we can be able to use to identify the code that we committed. So now let me take this my code to when I just initially integrated it to be a PWA, that is a progressive web application. So this is the ID. What you do, you have to copy the ID out. This you copy it out, and this is what you do. Git check out, and you paste that ID. Git checkout, you paste that ID, and you hit enter. When you hit enter, automatically the page uploaded, and this is it. This is when we have our email.js, and yeah, we can notice the code changes. And okay, for us to be sure, we just do git branch. This is what we use to check the branch that we are working on, and we can see head detach at this particular ID here, this particular number here. So it shows us that we are no longer in the main branch. Okay, now for us to be able to go back to the main branch, what we do is git, we go to the checkout, and we go to the main, git checkout main, and we hit enter. And for us to be sure that we are in the main branch, and we can see it git branch, and we are in the main branch. So that's just it. So any code you feel like you want to check it out, you just hit the git log. When you hit the git log, you look at it, you copy the ID, git checkout, and that particular ID, and automatically it just worked out. Yeah. And thank you very much. If you have any question, you can just do it to just comment it below. Thank you.